Can you relate to that heart-stopping moment? You're about to log into your most important account, maybe your email, your bank, or even that platform where you manage your entire digital life, and suddenly, doubt creeps in. Did you type the password correctly? Is it the right password? Or has it been so long that the familiar sequence of characters has vanished from your memory? We've all been there. In today's digital landscape, passwords are the gatekeepers to our personal information, our finances, and our online identities. And let's be honest, managing them can feel like a Herculean task. We're told to make them strong, unique, and impossible to guess, yet we also need to remember dozens, if not hundreds, of them. It's a recipe for forgotten passwords, locked accounts, and that frustrating click of the forgot password button. But what if the question isn't about remembering your password, but about actively changing it? Maybe you suspect your account has been compromised. Perhaps you're just practicing good digital hygiene. Or maybe, just maybe, you're thinking about that one specific platform, the one you rely on daily, the one that keeps your world connected, Newton. So, the question we're tackling today, the question that might be echoing in your mind right now, is this: can you change your Newton password? Well, let's dive in and get you the definitive answer, along with a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Because knowing how to secure your accounts is paramount in today's interconnected world. First things first, the good news: yes, you absolutely can change your Newton password. In fact, it's a crucial security feature that every reputable platform, including Newton, offers its users. Regularly updating your password is a fundamental step in maintaining the security of your account and protecting your valuable data. Now that we've established that it's possible, let's walk through the process. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on whether you're using the Newton mobile app or accessing it through a web browser, but the general principles remain the same. Changing your Newton password via the mobile app. Open the Newton app, locate the Newton app icon on your phone or tablet and tap to open it. Make sure you're already logged into your account. If you're not, you'll need to log in with your current password before you can change it. Navigate to Settings or Account. Once you're inside the app, look for a Settings or Account section. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a gear, a profile picture or silhouette, or three horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu. Tap on this icon. Find Security or Login Options. Within the Settings or Account menu, you'll need to find the section related to security or login. This might be labeled as Security, Login and Security, Account Security, or something similar. Tap on this option. Locate the Change Password option. Within the Security or Login settings, you should see an option specifically for changing your password. It might be clearly labeled as Change Password, Update Password, or something along those lines. Tap on this. Verify your current password. For security reasons, Newton will likely ask you to enter your current password to confirm your identity before allowing you to change it. Carefully type in your existing password in the designated field. Enter your new password. Once your current password has been verified, you will be prompted to enter your new password. This is the crucial step. Take your time and choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The app might also provide you with password strength indicators to help you choose a secure option. Confirm your new password. After entering your new password, you will usually be asked to type it again in a separate Confirm New Password field. This is to ensure that you've typed it correctly and that there are no typos. Make sure both entries match exactly. Save changes. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, look for a button or option to save changes, update password, or similar. Tap on this to finalize the password change. Confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message either within the app or via email, indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Changing your Newton password via a web browser. Open the Newton website. Open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc., and navigate to the Newton website. Log into your account. Click on the Login or Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and your current password to access your Newton account. Navigate to Account Settings or Profile. Once you're logged in, look for a section related to your account settings or profile. This might be accessible by clicking on your name or profile picture in the top right corner, or it might be located in a sidebar or a drop-down menu. Find Security or Login options. Within your account settings or profile, look for a tab or section labeled Security, Login and Security, Account Security, or similar. Click on this option. Locate the Change Password option. Within the Security or Login settings, you should find an option to change your password. It might be clearly labeled as Change Password, Update Password, or something similar. Click on this link or button. Verify your current password. For security purposes, Newton will likely ask you to enter your current password to confirm your identity before allowing you to change it. Carefully type in your existing password in the designated field. Enter your new password. Once your current password has been verified, you will be prompted to enter your new password. Again, choose a strong and unique password. Confirm your new password. After entering your new password, you will usually be asked to type it again in a separate Confirm New Password field to ensure accuracy. Save changes. Look for a button or option to save changes, update password, or similar. Click on this to finalize the password change. Confirmation. You should see a confirmation message on the screen or receive an email confirming that your password has been successfully updated. Important considerations when changing your password. Choose a strong password. This cannot be emphasized enough. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. It should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information like your name, date of birth, or common words. 1. www.smartearningmethods.com www.smartearningmethods.com Unique passwords. Don't reuse passwords across different platforms. If one of your accounts is compromised, all accounts using the same password become vulnerable. Password managers. Consider using a reputable password manager. These tools can generate strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and securely store them, so you only need to remember one master password. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.